Just to recap, in the prior video, we published an action from Node.js code within a Pipedream workflow. And here's what the component looks like. It's just a simple date string format, and I use the publish to my actions button here to publish it to my actions. You can do the same thing with the Pipedream CLI using a special command called pd_publish, and we just pass in the name of the action, and this will be the same result. It will publish the action to our account to use. Where these also end up are in the components area underneath our dashboard. So if you reopen the dashboard and look on the left-hand side, you'll see that there's a brand new components area that's added after you publish an action or a source to your account. We can open up this area and we can see a list of all the components that we've published. You can see the most recent is the format date action that we've created, and we can also unpublish it underneath this unpublish area here. This will unpublish it, but it will not delete it from your workflow. So just as an example, I'm going to remove it here from the components area, which means to unpublish it as a component. But if we return to my workflow, we'll see that the code is still available and we can actually republish if we need to, but our workflow will be unaffected. Just as a final example, let's create a test component using the CLI and our code editor. I'm going to use the PD tool to initialize an action. We'll just call it a test action. And this will generate a new file and folder called test action. We can publish it to our account using the pd_publish command and then prompting the test action. Within the test action folder that was generated will be a test action component. And here we can see there's the required fields like the name, version, key, description, and the run itself. So we will deploy this using our CLI, and we should see a new test action component in our dashboard. We'll return to my components, refresh it, and you can see there's a test action here. If you choose to unpublish it, you can do so here, and this will remove it from your account. Don't forget to check your code into a version control repository just as a backup in case something could happen to it. But either way, you can manage your custom actions via the components page, whether they're published by the CLI or by the builder itself.